Hey, what's up, traders? So I want to go over just a breakdown here of this Euro USD chart from an IT method lens. And, this was a lot of stuff going on here. So this is how the setup looks. I've shared it in the accelerator group and to those guys in there, and I think it's going to play out pretty nicely. But when you see this, first of all, this is just massive institutional money coming in the market. Just a huge move like that. The sell-off in Euro this morning has been hadn't seen one like this in a while, that's for sure. So let me just backtrack a bit and I'll take off what I got going on in the charts here. And this is how I typically like to break them down. I am really simple with my charting. That's how I like to keep it typically. And for me, that's when, and I know Daniel's the same way. And, but now here we are, naked chart, all fresh. Okay. So we see this big move here. This looks like a bullish flag. If I, when I see the chart from just a naked eye, go to the 4 hour here. This is how I would typically map it out. And wow, what a perfect example of a false breakout leading to a breakdown. So that section of the academy still applies to this method just so strongly, because what's going on here is the reason why that happens is the banks, the institutional money, knew that traders were waiting for us to break out above these highs. Here is resistance, or a liquidity pool, right? So we punched through the liquidity pool there, boom, and man, just ripped everybody's faces off this morning. That was long, and just with a brutal move. So where are we going long term? I don't know if we'll go all the way down here. We might. Definitely can't rule that one out. I think fundamentally it's the time when I'm shooting this, we're still a lot of indecision around the presidential election. So I do think we're going to see a lot of risk off coming in the market. So for me, that always plays, I always consider what's going on globally and politically too. So, but this is the big breakout. And so miss this move, but I'm looking for and anticipating the next move. So I see the false breakout there. Wrong. See the false breakout happening. Also looking to now try to look, where do I want to get in this, right? So that's on the 1 hour. Here we go to the 4 hour. And from this low to the high of the false breakout, we have, what do you know, 78.6 hiding in there. Beautiful institutional candle, big sell to buy move, and an imbalance right there. So all the ingredients of this pie is going on right now. So I'm setting a buy limit here. I'm at 1782, like the 78.6 is midway through that institutional candle, but me personally, I don't mind 5 pips of drawdown because I've been in way more than that in my career. So, but the less, the better. But I think this is going to be a great trade. So I do want to get ticked in. But if you wanted to even be more precise, 117.78, 1776. That's a great American number, and somewhere around there. Typically, I like to circle this area, and right now I'm on MetaTrader 4. So but you can set it up however you like on your trading view. So this kind of area is what I'm looking for. And typically now what I'll do is I'll look for potential pullbacks because I do think we're going there. I don't want to get in. Obviously, I don't want to sell right here. But if we were to get some sort of bounce, retracement, maybe even a fake move to the upside. Ooh, this thing is dropping hard. It's coming in hot on this. So we'll see. Maybe it'll get ticked in while I'm shooting this video. Daniel's still here in the office with me, so we've been watching this all morning. And so now I have my setup, you know, so like if I did want to look for a retracement where it might be from, I would use my Fibonacci's again. I'm a big Fibonacci trader. So looking from this low to the high, probably shoot somewhere around here. Which is the 61.8 retracement around 118.52. So I still use those 61.8 levels. I think they're really, really effective on bounces. So that if me personally, if I wanted to add to this position, like you see, you also have was an imbalance here. So you can see it's no wicks on that move. So you can see this is a significant area. And then I'm going to be adding to this position. Actually, I'm not in this position. I wish I was, but this is where I would look to get into the trade on pretty small, because really the big move is this 117.80, 78.6, because remember, we in this style of trading, we want to let the markets come to us. We are the hunters instead of the hunted. So you can see now we've mapped it out. We have our map here. And now we wait, you know, but there's a lot going on in between here and there. And what I will also do is now look for other correlations in markets like GU, AU, and other dollar pairs, and still use my correlating trading strategy. So hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Hope you're really getting and understanding this method of entries and exit and pinpointing the market. And see you in our chat rooms, Facebook groups, and on social media. Thanks for watching.